Hi folks, this is a quick video to show you how to turn off the email notifications that are coming from your Google Classroom so we don't inundate our students with redundant emails. So when you're in Google Classroom, over here these three dots take you to a drop or a pull-out main menu. And in this main menu, you have the master settings for all of your Google Classrooms. So you can add a profile picture so students can see your whole face, and you can manage all of the notifications that you get based upon what happens in your Google Classroom. But on the bottom here, this will not appear. You'll see class notifications and a downward caret. And if you click that, you have the option to turn email and mobile notifications on or off for a class. So right now, mine are off, and if I click them like this and they turn blue, they will be turned back on again. So you should be aware that anytime you post an announcement or an assignment to Google Classroom, it is auto-generating an email to your students. And we've gotten reports from some parents that students are still feeling overwhelmed by the email coming into their inbox. And since it's kind of a goal of ours to cut down on the number of emails that our students are encountering, it might be wise for those of you who are using Google Classroom to turn this feature off. Thanks so much.